Morning everyone. Today we're going to do an unboxing video for you. So here we go. I've already opened the box up. First of all, we take polystyrene out. In the box, we'll find your charger, your pedals and your toolkit. Next thing to come out is the seat post. And there's another bit of polystyrene at the front. Now we are able to lift the bike all the way out of the box. Right, so now you can see that we've got the bike in the rack. We've now got to cut through cable ties. The wheel will come off. There is another cable tie here. As you can see, take the mudguard off of the wheel. Place that to the side for a moment. Then we've got another cable tie on this side, protecting the wheel. And another cable tie here for the quick release. Snip that off. And the other one. Just put those down to the side again for a second. Now, let that hang down for a minute. And then pull that up and then cut through all of the tape. There is a bin below, by the way. I'm not just throwing it on the floor. Lock that into place.
Heart spins faster than the ticking clock. Wheels don't stop for any traffic law. Battery heartbeats under neon glow, taking me where only futures go. Folded wings when I reach my door, but tomorrow it will fly once more. Electrify my...
And the bike is now all unboxed and unwrapped. So now the bike's all unwrapped. We're now going to put the front light on and the mudguard. So we have to get a 5mm Allen key, which will come in your toolkit. The washer. Undo the packaging. Slot the mudguard through and the light. So the washer goes on the front, the light goes on, and then the mudguard goes in, as you can see here. So now we need a 4mm. We undo the little side screws on here. Yet again, there's another washer. And we poke that in. This little screw here, the silver one. Then unscrew that.
and screw this back in. Then
we take this bit of plastic out, this fork spacer. We then grab our front wheel. Now, hopefully you can see this. There are 2 springs. So you take one off, the other one has to face inwards, like so. Push that through, then put the other spring on. Do it up a little bit. So now we've got this. Line it up with the brakes. Should slot straight in. Do it up hand tight. And then pull the lever round. The brakes do need a little bit of adjustment. That can be done with 5mm Allen key. And it's the top and the bottom on here. So if we just undo this one, just a tiny bit, slide it over, and the bottom, slide it over. Right, so now all the mud guards, the brakes are all done. We then have to plug in the screen. So we undo this little bit here. And then we line up the 2 arrows, plug that in, and then rewrap it all back up. Just like so. Then we get the pedals. Now, these are sided, pedals are sided. So the left-hand side always has lines on the thread here. And this one has none at all. So this is the left-hand side of the bike. Pedal it on. Pedal backwards to do it up. And then we do the same the other side. Just like so. Then we get our pedal spanner. And just give them a little nip. Just like so. Now to do the gearing, you just pedal forward. Just checking all the gears are all lined up properly. Seeing if any needs any adjustment at all. Now this one does all look good. All the gears are going in properly. And there you have it. That is now a built, charged F1 hub. So once we've built the bike, then it comes to powering on the bike. Hold this button for 3 seconds. Then it will all come on. You can go through your menu on here. And this shows your odo, your average speed, your maximum speed, your trip, and the time that you've been riding. And then you just go up and down on the arrows here. And you've got your 5 different levels of assistance. Your battery voltage is here. We can also have this as percentage and the time which we can set up as well.
Wheels hum beneath the city lights, charging forward through the darkest nights. A quiet storm on 2 sleek wheels, the pulse of progress the future feels. Ride the lightning, feel the sparks through the winding trails and urban parks. Silent power, steel and fire, forever chasing dreams inspire. Glide like a shadow, swift and keen, through the electric maze of vivid dream. No road unturned, no hill too steep. On this charged machine, I take the leap. Ride the lightning, feel the sparks, through the winding trails and urban parks. Silent power, steel and fire, forever chasing dreams inspire. Rattle whispers a daring sound, freedom flows as the wheels spin round. Every jolt a story, every turn alive. This is how the metal and man survive. Plug me in, take me far. I'm a flash of light beneath the stars. No fumes, no noise, just silent might. I embrace the thrill, I ride the night.